See, this is why it pays to be patient. Check that out. $48.48 shopping order at Sam's Club. 5 miles. Let's go. So there's recently been an update with the Walmart Spark app. It looks pretty different. We're going to go over it real quick. Make sure you're making the most money with Walmart Spark. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So previously, the Walmart Spark offers looked like this. And now, with the new update that just came across probably at the beginning of this week, we starting to see bigger text font for the offer amount, the number of stops, the mileage, and the time it's going to take you to complete the order. Now, we're going to go over why this is a good thing and it's going to help drivers make more money. So, first and foremost, before we get into why it's going to help you make more money and why it's a good thing, let me just show you a few of the offers I got today. There's another one coming in right now. And I'm going to show you how it's, first of all, easier to see what kind of orders you're getting. If it's a round robin, ASAP, curbside, or shopping. So now on the offer screen, you will get a timer and you get a banner that says just for you. So you can see that right there. I got a little banner right there at the top that says just for you. This offer is $12.94 for 5 miles. It lets me know in bold text all the important information. The amount of money, the mileage, the time. Is it an ASAP? Is it a shopping order? This one is. And when you click on the order, you can see all the important details more clearly. You can see if the customer tip. You can see the amount of items, how far it's going, if it's got alcohol, special items that need to be verified through customer verification, all of that. Now, since they sent me that one, I want to go ahead and decline that. But I want you guys to take a look at some of these offers that they sent me before that I declined. And even though they don't work for me, they might have been something that you could take and accept and maybe multi-app and make money with another app along the way. I don't know. It ain't up to me how you make your money. But check this out. The very first offer Walmart Spark sent me as I'm sitting here in this Planet Fitness parking lot, they sent me $20.55, 6 stops, 17 miles, estimated time 1 hour and 5 minutes, 3 p.m. pickup at Sam's Club. I can clearly see it's going to be 5 drop-offs, not including picking up from Sam's Club, so technically 6 pickups and 5 drop-offs. And with them adding the bold text, you can clearly see the important information on these Walmart Spark offers. So I like it. We got another round robin offer coming in right now. $36.51. Sound good, right? For 33.6 miles. Now, this is 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. What I tend to find on these kind of orders is you're going to get it done in less time than it say, as long as they load it up in a reasonable amount of time and the traffic ain't too crazy. You ain't got no extraordinary traffic situation in your market. You usually going to get it done quicker than the estimated time that they give you, but you still want to take into account that it could take that whole amount of time or even longer potentially. So don't shoot yourself in the foot by taking the order that you think you can make work, but really you can't make it work. Now, that first order, $20.55 for 17 miles, I usually don't take orders like that. With this many drop-offs, this many miles, you know, it's going to have to be some crazy stuff going on for me to take that. Then this next one they sent me, $15.60 for 9 miles, 4 stops, 3 drop-offs. I like that they showing it with bold text, making it easier to identify, you know, the important information. And if you a new Spark driver, this is going to be, you know, just something making it easier for you to make your money. The other apps don't do things like this at the rate that Walmart Spark does. They are the best app. I mean, you're going to earn the most with them on average across the country. You're going to make more money with Walmart Spark because they have the most stability when it comes to volume and dependency as far as the customers in the market. So let's see. Let's look at this next one. I got $41.71 for 27.7 miles. Estimated time 1 hour and 52 minutes. This one is also one I'm not going to take. Even though if you spend 2 hours on it, you're still making your $20 an hour. You might get it done in less than 2 hours. But for me, in my market, I know that I can do better than this. Multi-apping and just being a little patient. So that's another one I'm going to decline right there. But just have a look, though. As you looking at your ASAP offers, these are the offers that's hanging on the app, just hanging around. Nobody accepted them yet. They still waiting for somebody to get them. You know, even with those, you can see that the text is now bold, indicating the important information you need to see, making it just all the more easier for drivers to, you know, quickly accept or quickly decline these offers. We're gonna sit here and keep looking at these offers until they send me one I like, and I'm gonna also keep going over these screenshots with you. They sent me $47.43 for 39 miles. Let me know in the comments below if you would take this offer. Estimated time, 2 hours and 7 minutes, 16 drop-offs. I also declined that one. My acceptance rate on Walmart Spark is like a 7%, 20% at best when I'm getting, you know, good offers during like the holiday season or it's like a busy football game. But I typically stay around 7% because most of the offers that they send me is around robin don't quite meet my parameters, but there's enough offers out there for me to still make my money and kind of cherry pick and be patient. This one came in at $36.52 for 20 miles. Estimated time, 1 hour and 40 minutes. So you see a trend. You know, they're trying to give you about $35 to about $45 for about 2 hours of work. Really, regardless of what the mileage is, and all of these orders are what you call a GM.com pickup, where you're picking up a whole bunch of customer items. They order 1 or 2 items a piece. And you basically just driving a route, similar to like an Amazon Flex route. We got another one, $21.80 for 18.2 miles, guys. Listen, it's 8 stops on this bad boy. This is what I mean when I say these customers are dependent on Walmart. They used to ordering their items. They used to get them in a timely manner. And that means as far as being a gig driver, you're going to be able to count on Walmart Spark more as far as having a better chance at reaching your earnings goal on a day-to-day basis. Look at this. We got a $22 shop, 4.3 miles, but it's at a different Walmart that I'm not currently by. That's actually an order that I would take. Let me click on it and get a little bit more information. Whoa! 44 items, 85 units. But see, with this new update, I'm able to easily identify that without wasting too much time. And that's probably why that order sitting on there is an ASAP order. You know, it is what it is. Got one coming in hot. This is what the new offers look like on Walmart Spark. Your round robins will now look like this. I like it. It's clean. You can see all the important information right there. This one is a 3 customer drop off, 13 bucks. You know, that might be like only like a couple dollars a tip. It's not something that I usually deal with, so I'm gonna go ahead and decline that one. But as you can see, just sitting here, I've declined probably about 10 plus Spark offers, the round robin ones. And when you looking at the offers with a timer and the offers without a timer, any offer that Walmart Spark sends you that has a timer is your round robin. That's the only thing that affects your acceptance rate. Now, if you somebody that care about acceptance rate, those are the ones that affect it. But the ASAP orders, all these orders that's just sitting on here floating, nobody accepted them yet, these are what we call ASAP orders. And you can decline these, but it's a waste of time because even if you decline it, it's gonna come right back to your phone until somebody take it. So declining it doesn't make it go up. It doesn't increase the value of the order quicker. It doesn't do anything but get it off your phone temporarily. And when I mean temporarily, I mean like by 20 or 30 seconds, because they will be sending it right back. So do not waste your time declining these ASAP offers that's just hanging out with no timer. I like to tell all my drivers who new to the app, you only got so much energy in the day. So if you waste your time declining all of these offers that's just gonna keep on popping up, then it's gonna start to increase your fatigue, and you ain't gonna be able to decline as much. If you declining all these offers, you don't need to decline. Oh, let's go, LFG, let's go. Now I am gonna click on it just to see a little bit of more details. Man, this thing only 16 items, man. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Listen. If you learned a little bit about Walmart Spark from this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. I'm about to head over to Sam's Club and knock out this $50 shopping order because this is why I declined all those other orders that was paying about 40 bucks. Because even though that's great for 2 hours of work, don't get me wrong, because you can always multi-app, do other food delivery orders, maybe, you know, pick up a medical pharmacy run on the way. It's lots of things you can do to increase your earnings while you on that batched order. But for me, I like to just wait, be patient, because it always pays off. Hold on now. It always pays off to be a little patient in my market, because I got Walmart, Sam's Club, Home Depot, you know, then I got multiple Walmarts in my zone. And you know, you never know when that banger order gonna come through. It only take one good customer to be generous and tip you, make it worth your time to only work for that customer for 1 hour. So for me, it's no need to work for 17 different customers for 2 hours. I'd rather just work for one customer for 1 hour. I'll catch you in the next video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.